Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start in Settings because purchase history ties to your Apple ID. Tap your name at the top. This authenticates the account you'll inspect. If you aren't signed in, sign in now. Purchases won't appear otherwise. Once done, make sure Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode completes verification so you can access payment and shipping and subscriptions sections securely. This step prevents confusion between multiple Apple ID and ensures you view the correct purchase records. Next, you go into Media and Purchases because that's where Apple stores transaction records. Tap View Account, authenticate again if requested, and then open Purchase History. This fetches itemized charges from Apple. Use the built-in date filters or select a specific month to narrow results, and tap an item to expand details like order ID, date, and total. Make sure to wait for the list to fully load. Large histories can take a few seconds to populate. Finally, review each expanded entry to confirm app names, dates, and prices. You can tap a purchase to view the full receipt. If a charge looks wrong, tap Report a Problem to initiate a refund or dispute. That explains the issue to Apple. If purchase history fails to appear or shows incomplete items, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, or check for pending family purchases. This refreshes permissions and often resolves sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.